नमस्कार, मैं हूं देव और आप देख रहे हैं ट्वीट्स। चलिए अब नजर डाल लेते हैं इस हफ्ते की 10 बड़ी खबरों पर। India has made a significant shift in its energy strategy. Crude oil import from Russia have declined for the eighth consecutive month, with the total drop now exceeding 20%. Meanwhile, purchase of oil from the United States and the UAE have increased. Experts say fluctuation in global prices and payment-related challenges are the main reason behind this shift. In a major development in the money laundering case involving Anil Ambani, investigate agencies have taken strong actions. Asset worth rupees 1,400 crores have been attached. With this, the Enforcement Directorate has now attached a asset worth rupees 9,000 crores. Official says this action is a part of ongoing probe into large-scale financial irregularities. Gold and silver prices show a sharp decline today. Gold fell by rupees 1,323, dropping to rupees 1,20,000 per 10 gram. Silver slipped by rupees 4,007, reaching rupees 1,50,000 per kilogram. For investors, this could be a buying opportunity, although market volatility may be continued. AD Tech company Physicswala made a strong bet in the stock market. Shares were listed at 33% premium, and within a short time they gained another 10%. Investors who subscribed to the IPO earned close to 40% returns. Tata Motor passenger vehicle reported weak quarterly result. The company posted a significant loss of rupees 6,368 crore. Following the announcement, the stock fell 7%. Experts believe that weak demand and rising costs contributed to the poor performance. In some relief for consumer, retail inflation is expected to fall below 1%. The index of 20 essential commodities has been declining for 6 straight months. Vegetable pulses and rices have become up to 51% cheaper. However, experts warn that this downward trend may also be seasonal. Despite a strong subscription number, Lenskart listing disappointed investors. Against an IPO price of rupees 402, the share listed at rupees 390, opening nearly 3% lower. Ola Q2 results were weak. The company sales dropped 44% and revenue fell 43% to rupees 690 crores. The stock has also declined 10% over this past month. SBI has sold 30% stake in Yes Bank. Following this transaction, the bank profit rose to rupees 20,160 crore. The positive financial performance pushed SBI stocks to an all-time high of rupees 959. Grow reported a profit of rupees 471 करोड़ अप्रोक्स एंड 12% इंक्रीज फ्रॉम द लास्ट ईयर। ये थी इस हफ्ते की कुछ मुख्य खबरें। डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल।